Set to raise about 350 crore rupees via the primary market. Now, this could value the company at around 1,050 crore rupees. CNBC TV 18's Nisha Podar caught up with the MD, Mr. Srinivas, and started off by asking him about the usage of the proceeds and why investors should bet on the company.
The private equity would be exiting about 75% of their current stake. They hold about 34% in the company. And post IPO, they would be holding around 7% in the company. The promoter is monetizing about 3.5%. And we are having the balance coming into the company in the form of a primary sale.
So about 45 odd crore rupees is coming into the company, which will be utilized for?
It would be used to retire some high-cost debts.
How much is your overall debt position currently?
Debt position as on December was about 260 crores, out of which most of it is working capital. So about close to about 240 odd crores would be working capital.
So 350 odd crore rupees to be the IPO size, out of which 45 crore rupees is coming into the company. And that puts the valuation of the company close to about 1,000 to 1,100 odd crore rupees as per our understanding. What have been the valuation drivers for your kind of business? We don't have any peers in the Indian market currently for this.
I think our retail story in building materials and home improvements has been growing significantly over the last 3 to 4 years. We've been steadily having a CAGR of around 30 odd percent. And the margins have been fairly good. The segment margins are close to about 9.6%. And I think that has really been what has driven this business. And the way forward, we're looking at the same tone in expanding our retail footprint and so on. I think that has been favorable in the valuations.
So retail business, 43% of the total business, and you are looking at expanding that. The other two segments are channel and enterprise.
Yes.
And you're looking at squeezing that. What is the kind of margin that that particular business commands, which is more B2B than retail, which is B2C?
That has about a 6% at an EBITDA level, which we are sort of, plateauing off at this point of time.
So, Sukumar, you said that increasing retail. How are you going to expand? And you are more based out of South India.
Yes.
So, are you going to other geographies as well?
Over the next 2 to 3 years, no. We are largely going to be, we do think there's a substantial potential in the South. And if you really look at the total market size of the kind of building material products that we're looking at is about 1.5 lakh crores in our relevant segment, where the total Indian potential is around 4.5 lakh crores. So we feel that there's a substantial headroom that we have in using this opportunity better.
All right, time for a break now, but when we come back.